Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I want to share why I love working as a full stack developer. Developing software is not just about writing code, it's about solving real problems. I decided to focus on mobile development because I really enjoy creating apps that people can use everywhere. For my mobile projects, I usually use React Native and Expo. These tools allow me to build cross-platform applications efficiently without having to learn separate the language for iOS and Android. But a good application needs a strong foundation. That is why I also to manage the backend. I prefer using Node.js and MongoDB to structure my database and server logic. Connecting the frontend with backend is probably my favorite part of the whole process. Currently, my main goal is to design digital tools for industrial logistics, like organizing the production schedules in factories.
Something that I love and I hate about programming, also studying and working in it, is that you learn something new day by day. You learn new language. You also learn how to fix something, and also to do the same thing that you already know how to do it, but in a better form. Also, what I like is to practice communication with people that doesn't are part of the community, or the people that usually work with computers and with software. So you need to translate that information, that things, in a easy way to understand it. Also, I like to meet different people that I like the same like me. Something that I hate is maybe the typic that usually the people that doesn't know what you really do think that you can fix computers, but well, usually doesn't. You don't, and well, some people can, but it's rare that the people can do the same program and also fix computers. What I hate also, that some technologies is really complex, and you learn to study and practice and search for information about that technology and to fix that common bugs, and also that not so common, and you need to learn in also with IA, with artificial intelligence, also to ask to people that know a little better that technology. Also, you need to search in forums like Stack Overflow. Also, in sometimes could be helpful Reddit. And sometimes it depends about the technology and the language that you are studying or learning in that moment.
Hi, I'm going to tell you about things I like to do in software development. Well, I like to program with AI. It's very tricky, but yes. I like program with Gemini for free. If you have money, you can pay for cloud, but it's free. Gemini, because I have the student plan, and that make me happy. Programming with Gemini free. A lot of hours doing code and I stress a lot, but I like it. Principal, because I fronted BCC to do fronted with AI, but I only classic CSS or Tailwind or another ones. I like Boon. I recommend you Boon. To program backend is very fast, and you don't need to wait a lot to see how the backend responds, because Boon is very fast.
Code has too many ways to do the things. You can do the front end, the back end, database, and also you can do the documentation. But for example, for me, I like to do the design. I love UX design. So when I start a project with my friends or with my teammates in the university, I always want to do the design of all the pages, and I want to start with the landing page, that is the presentation of all the project, and it's like a welcome for all the people. I have an issue with that, because when I start a project, I normally I want to do all the design of the web page. So normally this has so many problems with my teammates. That is normal. Always we make a deal, we talk, and make a design. So yeah, I like the UX design, and also I like too much do the database of the project, because I think I had good ideas for the organization of all the data that we're gonna use. But for example, I don't like do the documentation. I think that too bad to explain myself and explain the things. So do the documentation, do tutorials, or do instructions is a big problem for me. So when I start a project, I always say that the documentation is no for me, so I can do everything else, but not the documentation, because I hate it. I don't want to do documentation about every project.